Hello Vizion Tools. The video demonstrates the customer experience within the mobile application, starting with a clear view of the store's home screen, including search and navigation options. It highlights how promotional banners at the top of the page serve as an effective tool to capture a customer's attention. When a user taps on a banner, the application instantly redirects them to the specific product or category page linked to that promotion. Ultimately, the video emphasizes that this dynamic banner management system allows businesses to effectively promote products, highlight key categories, and significantly improve overall customer engagement. In this video, we will understand how to create promotional banners for the mobile app and redirect customers to specific products or categories. To begin, navigate to the banner management section within the Odoo interface. From this dashboard, new banners can be created and managed directly from the backend, providing you with full control over your promotional content. Next, you will start the upload process by clicking on the designated image upload area. This action triggers a file browser window to open on your computer, allowing you to navigate through your local directories. You will then browse through your folders to locate the specific banner image you intend to use. Once you have identified and selected the correct image file, click the Open button. After a brief loading period, the image will be successfully uploaded and rendered in the banner preview section, confirming that it is ready for use. After the image is uploaded, you must proceed to configure the banner settings according to your specific promotional campaign requirements. A key feature of this process is that each banner can be strategically linked to a specific product or a product category. This functionality is essential for improving user navigation, as it allows customers to be redirected to their desired destination within your store with a single tap. To complete this link, click on the category drop-down menu. You will then need to search for your target category, in this demonstration, the cigar showcase, and select it, which ensures it populates the category field accurately. Once these configurations are complete, click the Save button to apply and secure your changes. Finally, once the banner is saved, it is live and integrated into the application. If you found this video helpful, please hit the like button and subscribe to the channel for more videos. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.